my name is Chris. If you want to see how to get from this to this, then please keep watching. Today I'm going to start off with my eyebrows just because I feel like they're uneven and out of shape again. So I'm just going to take my Brow by Benefit in the shade 4. And I'm also taking this Makeup Geek dual-ended brow brush. I alternate between using the brush from the Brow and this brush. It's just kind of whatever I feel like on the day. So today I feel like a more lighter brow where I have a bit more control, so I'm going to use this brush. I find the Brow quite buildable, so I've loaded a crap ton of product on my brush and I'm just going to start with the end of my brow. Making my tail longer, as always. So I've just drawn a line underneath and a line on top and kind of really arching out this part here. I think if you kind of go like raise your eyebrows, you can see all the places where you've missed and there's no product. So I'm just gonna raise my eyebrow and fill in. One good brow, now to try and make this one look like that one. When starting out with your makeup, it's probably, I wouldn't recommend doing your eyebrows first unless you're kind of messy and you don't really care. But if you're trying to like perfect every single step of your makeup, I'd probably suggest doing your eyes first. But because I've been doing makeup for so long now, I like to change it up. And like, I just can't stand looking at uneven brows anymore. So that's why I've chosen to do those first for today. So this is as good as my brows are going to get. Next, I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I also feel like I want to kind of carve under the brow. I've been seeing like Shani Grimond doing it on YouTube, and I kind of feel like, oh yeah, like it kind of looks cool when she does it. So I'm like, I feel like doing that now. And while I'm there, I'm going to prime my lid, taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Light. Okay, I'd never suggest carving a brow bone with your fingers, but I don't have a brush to use it with, so that's what I'm going to do today. Then going to take my trusty Australis Fresh and Flawless powder in light beige and run it across the lid area. To highlight my brow bone, I'm taking this, I don't know if you guys can see, such a pretty sparkling dust by Inglot, and I'm just going to apply it right like from the arch bit downwards. So apparently if you pop a bit of brow bone highlight under your eyes, your eyebrows look a bit more like lifted. So yeah, I think it's like really pretty too. Like when you see that sparkle under there, it's really nice. But guys, I'll just warn you of something, like you don't really want to have like that kind of bit of your brows where they grow all hairy and then you've got like the highlight, the shimmery shade with all the like bits of hair. Like just careful of that. Time for my eyes, woo! Okay, so I'm gonna take this Hoola by Benefit bronzing powder, and I love to put that in my crease. Usually I like to do it quite heavy-handed, but today I think I'm just gonna do it quite lightly because I'm doing a cute Valentine's Day look, as you guys know. So I want like the kind of pink colors to be the focus. I'm going to take my 217 brush, which is a bit more like dense and don't know how to describe it, but it's a bit more like packs on better than the other fluffy brush that I used. So I'm going to swirl into my Love in Paris palette, taking that orange shade and applying it to just my outer eye area. Should I try like one of those halo eyes? Nah, I feel like I don't suit them because like, maybe next time. All right, screw it. I'll try a halo eye. So taking that orange shade and popping it in the very front part of my eye, leaving the center bit bare. Next, I'm going to dip into that red shade over here and build it up just in the same places where I put the orange. Something that I noticed, guys, is to really like take your time with your eyeshadow. So I always like, oh, I'll just throw it on, you know, it'll be done in 2 seconds. I just want the color to be on straight away. But then like I've really been watching like Makeup by Michael Finch and Shani actually take their time with their eyeshadow, and it looks, oh, and X Twee Lee. And it just looks so much better when like you actually take your time and build up the shade rather than just like throw it all on at once. Next, I'm going to take this extremely dark shade and just lightly pat it and build it up over this very outer corner part. Now that I'm pretty happy with that intensity of brown, I'm going to mimic the exact same on the other eye. I'm not sure if you guys remember my Kiko Milano first impressions video, but I ended up actually really loving majority of their makeup that I bought from Italy. So today I'm going to use this really pretty pink eyeshadow in the shade 18, and I'm just going to apply it just in that bare lid area. Time for glitter, yay! I don't think it could be like a pink look without glitter, like it needs something. So I'm taking this glitter from Bulk Glitters in the shade Blushes Pink. Such a pretty shade. I think I got 5 shades for 35 US, no, 35 AU plus $10 shipping. So yeah, 45 in total for 5 glitters that will last me a very long time, so I'm happy. I'm going to put my Too Faced glitter glue on and then apply the glitter. I just like to apply a small amount to the back of my hand, and then I just grab my brush and I apply it to the lid. I'm going to take a makeup remover wipe and just wipe off all the glitter. Thank God I didn't do my foundation. Literally, like every time I wear glitter, I always seem to find a speck of glitter in my hair, on my ear, on my chin, on my nose, like just somewhere, like even like hours after removing it, or like or when I'm wearing it, I'm just like, go away. Next, I'm going to take this Hyper Sharp wing liner and I'm going to do a wing on my eyes. Whoa, that nearly like basically turned out perfect. What the hell? I'm going to show you guys my new favorite mascara combo. It is the Kiko Milano Extra Sculpt Volume. I heard of this when Kathleen Lights spoke about it. She used to rave about it on her channel quite a lot. So when I was in Kiko Milano in Italy, I was like, grab. So I've been loving to apply this, and then I apply another mascara over the top, and I just feel like I love my lashes when I do that. Then going over the top with a Kiko Milano Full 2.0 mascara. I love this one. It's so cool and it's perfect for lower lashes. I feel like applying this extra layer just sparks at my lashes just that bit more. Time for my favorite part ever, false eyelashes. These are the Model Rock lashes in the style Out to Fabulousness. Out to Fabulousness, yeah, because I'm feeling fabulous right now, lol. This is how they look out of the packet. Ooh, they're so pretty. So I just stuck these on. They actually feel really fitted to my eye, which is like a feeling I haven't felt in such a long time. Time to finally get fully glammed. I'm going to take my foundation I've been loving for the past couple months. It's the Fit Me Dewy Skin Foundation in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. Just going to apply that all over my face. I love this foundation. It's so lightweight, but like it's buildable too, so it gives quite a good coverage first off, and then when you layer it even more, like you don't feel like you're caking yourself up, but you actually are building up the product, so it's so good. I'm literally loving the pink. Oh my god, I think this Valentine's Day look is my favorite look so far on my channel. Then taking my Born This Way concealer under my eyes, down my nose and on my chin, just for a highlighted look. Taking the same Australis Fresh and Flawless powder to set my entire face and add a bit of extra coverage. Taking the Hoola Benefit to bronze up my cheeks. I'm loving this brush. Again, it came with that like Lily Lashes brush set thing that my mum bought me from, I think, Hair House Warehouse. So yeah, it's like the perfect shape just to get right there. Loving it. Who the F ain't want to be bronzed on Valentine's Day? To contour, I'm taking my Smashbox Highlight and Contour Kit. For Valentine's Day, I would 100% be contouring because whether you're going out day or night, like I just feel like you want to look your best. Like there's no holding back for Valentine's Day with makeup. So I tried the other day, I grabbed that eyeshadow that I used on the halo eye and I applied it as a blush and it was so pretty. Ooh. Yes, just like ties in the look for Valentine's Day, just that little bit of pink. I suggest like definitely try and wear blush, like especially for Valentine's Day. It really ties in that look. It's cute too. Woo! Highlight gone ham for Valentine's Day. For my lower lash line, I'm going to run a little bit of Hoola Benefit bronzer under my eye. Then dipping back into that red shade. And then applying a very speck of black just along here, just for some extra drama. And now going to apply some extra bottom lash mascara. Lastly, I'm going to do my lips, and for that I'm going to take my Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa K liquid lipstick. I love this and I think it's a perfect pink to wear for Valentine's Day. And this is my completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, do it for Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!